Hey guys, Dom Gatti, Next Level Baseball, Long Island, here at Cove Sports Academy, Glen Cove, New York, talking to you about the lower half body mechanics, what your lower half actually does during a swing. At this point, you should have watched the importance of getting into a good hitting position, and you should have watched the breakdown of major league hitters through slow motion video analysis of the sequence of moves that happen during a stride all the way to heel plant. So right now, we understand that at heel plant, I want to see that my back knee is advanced inside the back foot. I also want to see that I'm getting to the inner edge of the front foot. Okay? So during our stride, what's going to happen with the lower half is some guys do it at toe touch, some guys do it while their foot's still in the air. As you're going to see a slight opening of the hips, so the hips will lead the swing. So they're going to see a slight opening of the hips. However, you're going to see the shoulders still coiled back. And that's how we stretch the rubber band. That's how we develop some torque and build up torque in our muscles. All right, so once we're at this point here, okay, I'm at the inner edge of the front foot. I got a nice angle on my front foot, 45 degrees. I see that my knee has pinched down inside the back foot. So I advanced my back knee. Now I'm in this position here. Okay? So now what I see, what we want to happen next is I want you to feel like this back knee is going to continue to hammer down into the ground. I want you to hammer it down. As this back elbow hammers down, you're going to hammer down that back knee. And what's happening here on the back knee, it's going down. And what you start to see with the front knee is it starts to roll outward over the ankle. So the weight, which at landing point was on the inner edge of my front foot, now starts to go towards the outer edge of the front foot. This knee starts to hammer down, this knee rolls out, the hips continue to open. At this point here, when the knee is above the ankle, now is when I want to smash my knees together. So what's going to happen, the knee gets over the ankle, I want to take this knee, drive it backward, that's going to take this hip and spin it back. I want to take this knee, which went down, now I want to take it forward. So now my knees get very close together. We call that smashing the knees together. What happens with the back heel during a swing is as this knee hammers down, you start to see the heel coming up towards the sky. So knee down, heel up. You don't want to see this knee or this back heel spinning backwards. That means you're not using your hips enough and you're just spinning from the knee down and your heel's going backwards. So we want to inside, take this knee, drive it this way, take this knee, drive it forward, smash your knees together. Your back foot at contact, some hitters are up in the air, some hitters still have it connected to the ground, but all hitters have their back heel coming up, not backwards. So a good rotation, get to the inner edge, hammer back knee down, as elbow starts to hammer down, back knee down, front knee rolls out. Now smash those knees together.